Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It looks a little bit better. Looks a tiny bit better with the natural and this ring light that I have on. So I might do this more often. Why did I just show my ponytail? I don't know. But anyways, I am very happy with the progress that my siblings are doing. Now, I don't know when. So I don't know when they're, actually I do know when they're doing this. Sorry, I had to tighten something. I do know when they're doing the video. Not gonna tell you when, so keep an eye out. Click the notification bell on their channel and on this channel to get notified first so you can see when I upload my videos. So yeah, click that notification bell, click the like button, click that subscribe button, and I wanted to do a video on I found two lights that I was looking for the other day. I found them. They're on my windowsill. But I wanted to show or do like my old videos of like what's in my camera bag, which I will show. I will do a video on what's my setup for you guys, if that's what you would like. I possibly could do it right on my iPad. So let me go grab my iPad real fast. So I'm gonna layer it in the iMovie once I'm done. Oh no. iMovie. Cancel. Create movie. So this is my setup. As I'm recording myself on my camera. Oh. So this is my setup for I'm gonna retake that again. So this is my setup. So right now I'm looking to the side because my iPad is on my bed, as you can see, but it's recording you guys. So that's kind of a plus. But I am going to, so this is my setup. This is the ring light that I have and the camera that I'm using for the video today. but I am going to layer this. I am gonna airdrop it to my iPad so I can put it in to this video. So if you like this type of video, let me know in the comments down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. I know I keep saying that. Go check out my sister and brother's channel, and I'll link it up in the iCard to this side. Yeah, it's this side. Sorry. So I was trying to move it, but I will link that up in the iCard below. Check out their channel. Check out my channel as well, and make sure you click that notification bell for both channels. And comment what you guys would love to see on this channel and also their channel. So comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. So this is my setup. So right now I'm looking to the side because my iPad is on my bed, as you can see, but it's recording you guys. So that's kind of a plus. But I am going to, so this is my setup. This is the ring light that I have and the camera that I'm using for the video today. So I showed you guys a little. I tried to layer it. It's not working for some reason, but I tried to layer it so you could see like me do my daily vlog. Cut out the audio and that like 49-second, it's right after the video clip of me showing you the setup of how I record, because I recorded it on my iPad. But yeah, this is the setup. And yeah, I normally do it in front of my mirror or in this little corner right over here. But I do like the natural light better than just doing it in the corners just with the ring light itself. I mean, it's a lot better. I mean, the video that you're seeing for this YouTube channel, this is kind of the future, or as I'm editing clip. But yeah, it's all good. I basically did everything that I need to do, and I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will try to leave a link to my sister and brother's channel down below. They will be doing their candy taste test, or a couple videos of it, so it's not all at once. So they'll probably do different days. They'll probably do different days of doing the candy challenge, or candy sour whatever the heck it is. The candy taste test. They'll probably do a few days with one candy, and then combine it so it looks nice. So they'll probably do that starting today. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more future videos on both channels, my channel and of course my siblings' channels, which is D&E Big Time. I'll probably leave a link down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.